Many voices had strengthened and enriched the nationalist movement during the Gandhian phase. Elaborate. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The Gandhian phase of the Indian nationalist movement, from the 1920s to the 1940s, was a time of heightened struggle against British rule. This period was marked by the influence of various ideological, social, and political voices that enriched and strengthened the movement, paving the way for India's eventual independence. Body. Different voices that contributed to the nationalist movement during the Gandhian phase include Gandhian ideology and its impact, Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of non-violent civil disobedience, Satyagraha, and self-reliance, Swaraj, became foundational to the movement. His campaigns, such as the Non-Cooperation Movement, the Salt March, and the Quit India Movement, inspired people from diverse backgrounds to join the struggle for freedom. Socialists and communists, leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhas Chandra Bose pushed for social and economic equality, gaining support from workers, peasants, and intellectuals, which added new dimensions to the struggle. Revolutionary nationalists, figures like Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad promoted armed struggle, motivating many young Indians to join the cause and creating a sense of urgency. Women's participation. Women such as Sarojini Naidu, Kamala Nehru, and Aruna Asaf Ali played vital roles in campaigns, the importance of women's empowerment and gender equality. Identity-based movements. Leaders like B.R. Ambedkar fought for Dalit rights, while the All India Muslim League represented Muslim interests, helping to mobilize a broader section of society. Conclusion. The Gandhian phase of the Indian nationalist movement was defined by the convergence of diverse voices, ideologies, and social groups that enriched the struggle for independence. These perspectives were crucial in shaping the freedom movement, ultimately leading to India's independence from British rule.